Hey guys, welcome back to my video, our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you guys the package that I got from Bath and BodyWorks. I ordered me 2 candles when they had their sale, and I'm just going to show you guys what I got. So when you get the package, it comes with this paper. This, I guess, showing what they got that's new in the shop. And the 2 candles that I got is this mahogany teak wood, made with essential oils, and it's white barn scented candle. This is my favorite candle from them, so I got this. And then I also got a new scent. Let me open it for you guys. And the second candle is this Halloween candle. It's pumpkin carving scented candle made with natural essential oils, and it just looks like this with pretty decorations. And this is my receipt, and it just shows how much everything was. I believe Bath and Body Works is still having their sale, so if you guys want to go to their website and check it out, they have 2 for $20 on the small candles, and then a 3-wick candle for $10 off. So go there and check it out. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video with your friends and family, and let me guys know what you want to see next time. Bye.